Good evening, everyone. My name is Chandrasekhar, and I have four students with me who are going to have a debate on a very controversial topic, and that is, should non-veg not be eaten? It means that should people go vegetarian? There are many type of food habits across the world. Some people are vegan who even don't use milk products. Some people are vegetarian. Some people are non-vegetarian. By the way, non-vegetarian is nothing. People eat everything. Those who are non-vegetarian, they also eat vegetables, but the word is used called non-vegetarian. So these people have their opinion. Let them ask one by one, what do they think about eating habits? Should people be vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Let's start with you. What's your opinion?
My opinion is that we should eat
Look there
only.
and speak.
My opinion is that we should eat veg only because many of the items we can and many other dishes in veg we can eat.
Okay. He thinks that if you eat non-veg food time and again, then it causes so many side effects.
And
Doctors also say that you should avoid eating a lot of non-veg. But eating a little bit is not bad, I think that.
you are saying right, but it may be cases in this city where veg food are not available. But in India, veg food is easily available.
Of course.
And any other say only for protein, it's not good for only to cut the animals for
Okay, you are
protein.
talking about on humanitarian grounds, people should not eat non-veg. Means to eat non-veg, obviously you have to kill an animal, and when you kill an animal, it goes against humanity. That is his point of view. Because of humanity, we should not kill the animals. Give the mic to him.
Hello, my name is Vineet Shukla, and
Yes, Vineet.
today I will support a vegetarian food
Okay.
because we are human. We don't need to cut the animal, pain the animal, and eat them because there are lots of things in leaf we can eat. Like we can eat some food.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
So you
for
are giving the same reason. As we are human
Okay.
beings, we should have a kindness in us.
Yeah.
And that's why we should not eat non-veg. But what about people have different ideology, mentality? They think that okay, that's very natural to eat
Yeah.
the animals.
I think if we eat like non-vegetarian food, in non-vegetarian like animals suffer lots of disease. It's also spread.
Okay, that
We-
might be the reason that if animal is not healthy,
Yeah.
it has some disease in its body, so this disease goes
Yeah.
to you. He's talking about some bird flu, swine flu, and such kind of
Corona also happened.
coronavirus is also spread because of eating
Yeah.
non-veg, especially in
Yeah.
China's. What's your opinion?
Hello, my name is Shivanshu Tiwari, and today the topic is vegetarian and non-vegetarian. So I think that as human being, as they all are saying that we should eat veg food. So I also think that I should, and all the person,
We are
all
talking
human
in
being.
general. We
Yes,
are
sir.
not talking about I or you.
Yes, sir.
In general, eating vegetarian or eating non-vegetarian, what is preferable? So, as per you, eating vegetarian is preferable.
Yes.
Do you have any other reasons than your friends have already given?
Sir, I think the animal have their also they are so kind, so we don't need to cut them and eat them. We are intelligent human are intelligent, so we should not cut them and eat them. Whether
It
we
is
have
always said that if you don't kill animals, their number will grow unproportionately.
yes
And there will be animals all around. In Australia, the number of kangaroo was growing so much that they are destroying jungles, destroying crops, destroying everything. Although kangaroo is the national animal of Australia, even then it is the favorite food as well. So when nature is providing you some food which is easily available, all across the world, fish is the favorite food that is easily available. And in India, even 70% people eat non-veg. What's your opinion about it? A larger number is non-vegetarian, lesser number are vegetarian, And you are giving only one reason, three of you, that as we are human beings, we should be kind, and that's why we should not kill the animals. Give him. Do you also support vegetarian food?
No, sir. I think that we need to eat non-veg food because
Why?
there are many varieties in the non-vegetarian food, and we, as everyone's saying that we do not need to harm animals or do anything. So this is not real. We do harm to another animal. Let's suppose we kill mosquitoes, cockroaches. So because of this logic here, I can also come and say that no, this is wrong. You can't kill mosquito if they
Because
are
it has
eating.
life.
Yes, because they have life. They are eating you or squeezing your blood. So just give them your blood and remain
them
silent. Let them bite. And as everyone wear clothes, the silk is mainly may come from insect that is silkworm. So this is not logical that we come and say that we are killing them. And I will say
And I
that
would say that to eat honey, you have to break the house of beehive.
Yes, sir.
You have to break a beehive.
Yes, sir.
It is also inhuman. If you want to drink milk, you steal the milk from the cow. The milk belongs to the calf. Bachada. But you give a little amount of milk to the calf, and the rest of the milk is stolen by you from the cow. Don't you think that it is inhuman? It is.
Sir,
He has something to say.
Sir, I don't think, because a calf can drink only less milk that is needed for him. So rest of the milk can be stolen from the cow.
What do you think when there are some wild buffaloes
Yeah.
or wild animals? So the calf of wild buffalo drink all the milk. So what happens to that? तगड़ा ही होता है जंगली भैंसा तो, because it drinks all the milk. And thousands of years back when human being did not tamed these animals, तब तो वो बछड़ा सारा दूध पीता था ना, तो क्या वो उसको बीमारी हो जाती थी what?
So I don't think there is
Okay, you are
other
just
point.
trying to
Yeah.
give reasons why killing animal is very different from taking milk from them.
Yes, sir.
Does anybody want to speak anything in conclusion? He has something to say. Yes.
I will also prefer non-veg because of their nutrition values, because they are rich in omega-3, B12, protein, and Indians are too much protein deficient. Out of 4 Indians, 3 are lacking of they lack protein in their daily diet. Average 70 kg adult needs approx 70 kg of protein, but the
Gram.
Indian diet
Not
70
kg,
yes sir,
grams.
the gram 70 gram diet, but the average Indian diet will not be able to give you more protein than 30 gram. So we need to change our diet and lifestyle so that we can at least get the 70 gram of protein. Or they are not saying that you need this for your bodybuilding goals, because that have a very different matter, but at least you need 1 gram of 1 kg of body weight in your protein. So non-veg is
you are
better.
going too technical in saying that eating non-veg is valid because you get nutritious values by eating non-veg food that is not easily available in vegetarian food.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for coming and speaking on this topic. Go and take your seats.